Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how fast 4 different blocks with different amounts of grain spawn colonize. So here we have 2.2 pounds of spawn. These are all 10-pound blocks. We have 0.5 pounds, 0.8 pounds, and we have 1 pound of spawn. I basically weighed them all out in front of the flow hood. Not going to make you watch that. I'm going to go ahead and shake them up and then give you a day-by-day update on how the blocks are performing. Oh, but first I have to set this shiitake free. It's been bothering me all mushroom day, man. Oh, come on here. Day number 2, I skipped day number 1 because there really wasn't much going on. You couldn't really see anything going on. But today, you can see we have a bunch of nice white dots on all our blocks. And the only difference is 0.2 bag, not many. 0.5 pounds. There's a little going on. 0.8, we got a bunch more, and then 1 pound, we got a bunch of them. So as you can obviously tell already by day 2, 0.2 is going to take longer, but we just don't know how much longer, and we'll find that out in comparison to the bags with more spawn in them. Now I also want to mention this is blue oyster mushroom spawn. Some mushroom mycelium likes to grow slower and faster than others, but the blue oyster seems to be very vigorous. So here's our 0.2 block. As you can tell, there's just a couple dots. We have our 0.5, 0.8, and then our 1 pound.